Before beginning the installation, carefully check that you have all the necessary components. Crossbars. One longer bar for front position, one shorter bar for rear position. Brackets, to left brackets, to right brackets. Each bracket includes a mounting plate. Bases and plates, for rubber bases, for mounting U-plates. Hardware, 4 M6 by 35 mm bolts, 8 M6 by 12 mm bolts, 12 flange nuts. Washers quantity should match the total number of bolts. Optional accessories. Sticky foams for sealing significant gaps, apply as needed. Ensure all parts are present and undamaged. Familiarize yourself with each component, noting the differences between the front longer and rear shorter crossbars. Verify that each bracket has its corresponding plate attached. Count and confirm the exact number of bolts, nuts, and washers. Set aside the optional sticky foams, understanding their purpose for sealing gaps if necessary during installation. By thoroughly verifying all parts and accessories before beginning the installation, you'll ensure a smooth and efficient process without unexpected delays due to missing components. Prepare and attach brackets. Locate the bolts at the top center and right corner of each bracket. Loosen these bolts sufficiently to allow the aluminum bar to slide into the bracket socket. Insert the aluminum bar into the bracket socket. Continue sliding the bar until you hear or feel a click. This click indicates that the plastic clip tip has engaged with the bar and hole, locking the bar in place. Orient the aluminum bar correctly. Examine the top edge of the aluminum bar to locate the ridgeline. The side with the ridgeline should face forward towards the front of the vehicle. If necessary, mark this side with a small piece of tape or a removable marker to ensure correct orientation during installation. Locate the reserve fixed points on the bare roof. Carefully remove the covers from these points. Take a bolt and apply a flange nut to it. Use a slim stick to measure the depth of the mounting hole from the top. Match the depth of the bolt tip below the U-plate to this measurement. Mark the maximum length of the bolt above the U-plate. Position the U-plate over the mounting hole. Ensure the narrow edge of the U-plate's center hole is facing inward. Use the prepared bolt with the flange nut and a washer. Using an Allen key, smoothly mount the bolt into the hole. Important: do not exceed 10 mm depth from the U-plate bottom or 20 mm from the U-plate top surface. Inspect each mounting hole. Ensure the hole is clean and free from debris. Check for any signs of rust. If needed, clean and treat rusty holes. If rust is present, apply an appropriate anti-rust liquid to the affected holes. Allow the anti-rust treatment to work for the manufacturer recommended time. Clean the hole thoroughly after treatment. Test fit an M6 bolt to ensure it can mount into the hole for up to 10 mm depth. If the anti-rust treatment doesn't sufficiently clean the hole, use a tap tool to carefully clean and restore the threads. Important notes: proper preparation of the mounting holes is crucial for a secure and long-lasting installation. If you're unsure about the condition of the holes or how to properly clean them, consult a professional to avoid damaging your vehicle. Ensure you use the correct size tap tool M6 in this case if thread cleaning is necessary. After cleaning, verify that the bolts can be smoothly threaded into the holes without forcing them. Take a rubber base and place it over the U-plate. Center the rubber base on the U-plate. Position the sloped side of the rubber base facing outward. Position the front crossbar. Take the longer crossbar and place it at the front position of the vehicle. Align plate with U-plate. Carefully slide the plate along the inside of the U-plate. Continue adjusting until the holes on both plates are perfectly aligned. Use 2 sets of M6 by 12 mm bolts, flange nuts, and washers. Connect the M plate to the U plate using these fasteners. Tighten with an Allen key and wrench, but don't fully tighten yet. Before fully securing the plates, align the bracket's back cover with the rubber base. Ensure the bottom of the back cover fits properly inside the slot of the rubber base. Ensure even tightening of all bolts to maintain proper alignment. Be careful not to over-tighten, which could damage the components or roof. Double-check the alignment of the crossbars before final tightening. Once the bracket is correctly seated on the rubber base, fully tighten the M plate to the U plate. Use the Allen key and wrench to ensure a secure connection. Adjust the aluminum bars to ensure they're centered between the left and right brackets. Once centered, tighten the bolts in each bracket's top center and right corner. Take the cover design for the brackets. Gently push the cover into the bracket from the top. Use your palm to apply even pressure until you hear or feel a click, indicating that the cover has securely locked into the holes of the bracket. Turn the key 90 degrees clockwise to lock the cover securely in position. Ensure that the cover is fully seated before locking it to prevent any movement or rattling during travel. Check that the key turns smoothly and that the lock engages properly. If you encounter resistance when inserting the cover or turning the key, double-check for any misalignment or debris that may be obstructing the mechanism. Thank you for following this installation guide for your crossbars. If you have any questions or encounter any problems during the installation process, please stop immediately and contact us for assistance. It's important to resolve any issues before proceeding to ensure a safe and secure installation. We appreciate your attention to detail and wish you the best with your new crossbars. Happy travels! Feel free to reach out if you need further assistance or have any additional questions.